We'll guide you through how to create a Trello board template. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your existing boards. Go to the board that you want to use as a template. Look for the Show menu button on the right-hand side and click it. This will expand a menu. From there, click on More and then select Make Template. This will convert the current board into a template. You'll notice a green template label on the board, indicating it's now a template. You can customize this template by adding lists, cards, and other elements just like you would with any standard board. When you're ready to use your template, go back to the Trello homepage and click on the Create New Board button. In the window that pops up, you'll see an option to Start with a Template. Click on it. Now you'll be able to select your newly created template from the list. Click on your template, give your new board a name, and click Create Board. This will generate a new board based on your template, complete with all the lists and cards you set up. It's a great way to save time and maintain consistency across multiple projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.